Hello Polygon Matic holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the Polygon Matic price in 2022. What will be the price of Polygon in 2022? Is the price pump? Is the price dump? In this video I'm going to show you, but before starting this video, please I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also like this video, my friends. My friends, this time the currently and live price of the Polygon Matic in the market is 1.09 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Polygon Matic. Furthermore, you can see here the price chain is open in the Polygon Matic now. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole chain is open in the Polygon Matic is completely going down, my friends. So now this time, you know what, the people also understand that there is no idea to the price will pump, my friends, but the people are so disappointed, my friends, from a Polygon Matic, but they are wrong, my friends. Don't be disappointed, my friends. Every cryptocurrency, every coin fast down for some time, but after some period of time the price will again pump, my friends. That's why I'm telling you that you have to patience if you want to invest in the cryptocurrencies market. So patience is very important for all of you, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. Wow, you can see here. Now in the latest, I'm talking about just the latest hours, my friends, the latest 2-3 hours of Polygon Matic, my friends. Absolutely, the price take a huge pump in the last hour. That's a big jump, my friends. Just look here. So my friends, have this kind of changes continue in a Polygon Matic, so I think that the 5-6 USD dollar is not a big target for a Polygon Matic, my friends, in the 2022, my friends. 5-6 USD dollar is my target for a Polygon Matic in 2022, my friends. What is your opinion about that? What is your prediction? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.